Hello and welcome to the topic Objectives of Language Teaching. The first point is to develop the students' intellectual powers through the study of another language. When you study a language, your intellectual power is developed and you are able to understand many other shades of life. Go to the next point. To increase the students' personal culture through the study of the great literature and philosophy. When you study a language, you not only come to understand the language but also come into contact with the literature and philosophy of that language, the society, and that culture. We move on to the next. To teach students to read another language with comprehension. Of course, our objective is that when we learn a language, we should be able to understand that language with great understanding and comprehension. Next point, to bring students to a great understanding of people across nation barriers. When you learn a language, you also overcome barriers. You also overcome obstacles, like you are able to understand the people of another nation very easily. We move on to the next. To provide students with the skills that enable them to communicate orally and to some degree in writing. Another objective of language teaching is that you are able to communicate orally, fluently and easily with other people, and you also come into comfortable position in writing to express yourself. We have the next point. To give students the experience of expressing themselves within another framework, linguistically and culturally. When you learn a language, you not only just learn the language itself, but you also try to get all the ideas of that culture linguistically and socially in order to understand that society, that culture better. This is also one of the objectives of language teaching. Hope you understand the lesson. Hope you get the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.